Hi, welcome to Southwest Systems. We're going to show you our online ordering software. So this is specifically for butchers, catering, whatever. Basically, we specialize in this software, which is online ordering, collection, delivery, and this is fully integrated with our way label scale systems. So these can be way label scale systems, these can be till systems, EPOS systems, and this is all linked to your single store, or it can be a multi-store. In terms of operating the website, you've got your home, you've got your shop, you've got your contact us page, and you've got your about us. So the shop, very easy. You just choose your product, in this case beef, lamb, these are your categories. I'm going to select some braising steak here. I'm going to add to cart. Very intuitive. We've got a really nice shopping cart on the far right here. A lot of it's very clear to action. So you just basically press lamb. There's another category. I'm going to choose this here, add it. Goes in the shopping cart on the far right. Again, you can go view cart or checkout. So the important thing to remember is this is fully integrated with our way label scale system. So once you sell this on the website, there's no chasing needed. There's no once the customer makes the payment, this order then goes into the scale back office software and it gets processed. From there, from the scale back office software, you can print out the order for that customer and you can make the order up on the scale. The order is made up on the scale and you can label if need be for those products. They get unpacked and then you basically courier that, distribute that to the customer. If it's business to business, you can do things on account. So again, customers can order online. That can then come back to the scale back office software. Again, you can make up an order, whether it's a pub, a hotel, whatever. That order then gets processed at the scale, comes back, and that can be put on account. So at a later date, if you invoice, you email the customer or post it, whatever, the invoice, customer pays. Once that's paid, you can go to the customer ledgers area on our scale back office software and pay for that. And it's simple as that. Basically on the back office software, we've got a lot of options here where you can quick pay. You've got Stripe quick payments, Google payments. It's all fully integrated, and it's a very nice, easy to use system. And the most important thing is it's really very cheap to run this. You're talking it's very cheap to run. Please get a quote from us from info@southwestsystemsuk.com, or you can fill in our Butchery labeling scales. You get a quote form on the far right, or go to the get a quote contact us page and fill in your details here. But I must admit, people who use this system, they love it. The fact that it's fully integrated, the fact that it's a monthly price, it's completely affordable. So please come to us. And yeah, we can do an online ordering bespoke price. Obviously, you've still got the same principle when customers walk in. So if a customer walks in or a business walks in, you can still do the same process of posting that to an order. That gets posted to an invoice, whether it's on account or paid for. Customer can get emailed an invoice. It's the same procedure. And for slightly larger establishments, obviously if you have a delivery drivers, we can specialize orders to go to specific delivery drivers for specific days, to go to that pub, hotel, business to business platform. So that's fully covered as well. And you can do stock on this. So you can do weighed stock, you can do non-weighed stock, and that's with both ways. So from the store, from the scale back office software in store, from the till systems, the label scale systems, as well as online on the e-commerce website on here. You order something on here, it can be deducted off stock, whether it's weighed or non-weighed. We've also got other platforms as well for time and attendance, in terms of staff, the hours, minutes worked, that can all be built in. And there's many other platforms we do as well, such as delivery, driver, GPS, and other things you can add on, as well as accounts. We can do export accounts to Xero or Sage. So it's very, very well structured, this software. It's very easy to use. It can be installed within a morning. You can be up and running, learning it all within a day. It's very straightforward. Don't be put off by it. But for customers that are still not sure or want to run it non-integrated, please do. You can still do that, and you can always add this software on at a later date. But with our SWS XT scale systems, the Avery scale systems that we supply, we can add this specific software which has a multitude of options for your business, and it will cover lots of avenues, and it will future-proof your business. And it works with WooCommerce. It's very cost efficient. That's the most important thing, is cost efficient. You're not talking hundreds of pounds, you're talking a set small monthly payment that you can easily add on to your business, or any small business or medium-sized business now. It's nothing crazy. It's very respectable, the pricing per month, and obviously you just need to purchase the way label systems through us as well. Whether that's through leasing, so you pay for it over 2, 3, 4, 5 years and own it, so you pay monthly, or you can pay for it outright. Very good heavy duty scales. They're in over 50-60% of butcheries, a majority of butcheries. Butchers recognise Avery's as a quality product. So please contact us, info@southwestsystemsuk.com, Instagram, Facebook. We've also got, you can go to our contact us page as previously mentioned, either get a quote here, or you can press the get a quote, fill it all in, we'll send you a quick quote within 24 hours. Thanks for listening.